Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change Discord server name. So if you also want to change Discord server name, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open Discord application in your mobile. After you launch open any browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in www.discord.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Discord. Here you'll be able to see the option for open Discord. All you have to do is click on it. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left you can see your servers over here. All you have to do is click on the server of which you want to change the name. Now that server will be opened. At top you'll be able to see your server name. All you have to do is click on it. Now these kind of options will appear. At third, you'll be able to see the option for server settings. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the server settings. Make sure you're in the overview interface. If you're not in the overview interface, simply click on the option overview. Now in this interface, you'll be able to see the server name over here. All you have to do is click on this box. Now erase your name. Now what you have to do is enter the new name. After you enter the new name of your server, all you have to do is look at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll be able to see the option for save changes. All you have to do is click on it. Now go back. You can see over here the server name has been changed. So that is how you change Discord server name. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.